Baltimore City to start using EV buses. Baltimore City is planning to replace several diesel-powered school buses with electric units later this month, serving 350 students with zero-emission transportation to school every day. School leaders, representatives from the Maryland State House and Department of Environment, the EPA, and other project stakeholders are set to unveil 25 new electric school buses that will take kids to Baltimore City schools every day. On January 30th, officials will gather for an inaugural ribbon-cutting event to celebrate the new fleet of EV buses, which were supported by $9.425 million from the EPA's Clean School Bus program, which is aimed at bringing cleaner air and more equitable and reliable transportation to kids in the area who are disproportionately impacted by climate change. Schools in Baltimore City have partnered with Highland Fleets, a company that provides school bus fleet electrification as a service in North America, to apply for the first round of the Clean School Bus program. Michigan gets funding for electric school buses in 8 districts. Baltimore City schools are just one of 642 total districts to receive funding through the Clean School Bus program. So far, 5,103 buses are set to be replaced. 439 awards have been given so far, totaling over $1.8 billion. Funding is provided by the Bipartisan Infrastructure Law, which sets aside $5 billion over 5 years, spanning from 2022 to 2026, to replace school buses with zero-emissions buses. Baltimore also made a relatively recent announcement that it plans to electrify its entire fleet of vehicles by 2030. Baltimore will electrify city vehicle fleet by 2030. It shows here our shared commitment to making Baltimore a leader as a climate-conscious and sustainable government. Baltimore City Mayor Brandon Scott said, "We are working to reduce the amount of greenhouse gases entering our environment, and doing everything to ensure that city government is taking steps to modernize alongside those goals." Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslaupdate.